So this week is very crucial for this token. If the token has to fall down, hello everyone, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will review Pengu coin once again. We have seen the insane pump of Pengu coin, but now is the time when the market settle down. We have Bitcoin going below 120k, and of course Binance, Ethereum, Ripple, every token is falling down. But what Pangu? So in this video, I will tell you the technical chart of Pangu because it is going as per my expectations. I expected it to come back to value before the next pump. So if you're someone who have not invested in Pangu coin, or if you're invested in Pangu coin, what to expect in the coming few weeks, I will tell you in this video by analyzing the technical chart. So with that, let's start the video. Let's talk about Pangu coin. So as you can see, we have to zoom out first to understand what is going on in the market. We know Bitcoin is crashing. We know Binance hit all-time high and then crashed. Ethereum nearly hit $4,000 and then crashed. Same goes with the Ripple, all-time high and crashed. Now, what is going on with the Pangu? So Pangu hit last month a nearly all-time high of that month was 0.046. By the way, its all-time high is 0.07 during the TGE month. Now, it is or it has pumped a lot in the last 3 months. You can see the candle. This is this month candle of August. This is July, the insane pump month. And then we have the foundation month, which is June, in which the token started pumping. Now let's look what is going on with the token by looking at the weekly chart. So in the weekly chart, you can clearly see there's a very clear pattern for this token. Like I said in my recent video on Pengu, after hitting this red lines, which is the fib retracement line, there are high chances for this token to pull back to value. Like I said, it has already happened in the last month also, like in the month of December 2024, when it pumped to 7 cents. You can see this red line right over here. It is because of this line the token again felt the resistance and then crashed back. The same story is repeating here at the same time. And again, the pattern was pump, then got hit by resistance level, and then it got dumped to the low of 0.003. Then again, it started pumping higher lows, then it pumped insanely to again the level of 0.045, which is this. Now again, at this level, you can see the same resistance is acting. This level, like this point, let me just draw it right over here. This point and this point is actually coinciding, which means we have hit the resistance level, the peak resistance level for this token, and from here the token will generally fall down. I expect it to go below to the level of 0.02, which is actually falling in my trend line like this one at 0.020. You can see here right now it's actually behaving the same way. We have a candle in the making. This can be a high touched candle, or depending on how the weekends, I think this candle can give you a clear indication where the trend is going. This one. So this week is very crucial for this token. If the token has to fall down and go back to the 2 cents where you can actually enter to make good money in the future, I think this is the deciding week. And when that happens, it's about to scale in and add more position to your Pangu token as an investor. Now you can see here what is happening is a clear structure that is forming. From here you can see higher highs, higher lows, which is bullish. Again, very higher highs. Again, it will go to very higher lows like here. So if it goes to 2 cents, again, there's chances are it will pump back up. And when it will pump, then it will break this resistance likely and may target around 6 cents. That is quite possible before going down. So that is a possible trend that can happen. Otherwise, if it crashes, let's say it goes here, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and it failed to stabilize at 2 cents, then it go down to nearly 1 cent. That's the worst part that can happen this year to this token. So again, you have two options to invest in 2 cents or go for 1 cent. Of course, what I suggest you is go for dollar cost averaging. That is the best option for you if you want to scale in your position in this token, because Pangu is a promising token. It can actually make you good amount of money when the actual bull run begins. That is quite expected in the month of October or November. So this is about my view about this token Pangu. You can see from the daily chart the same thing is repeating. It is making stagnation here, kind of a double top. Again, if it breaks 20 MA, go down to 50 MA. and go down, it is about to crash to 2 cents. That is quite possible, but let this week decide and we'll see how far we can go with the Pangu coin. With that, I complete my video. If you're liking my analysis, please remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon, and remember to watch the video shared on screen. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.